Hello and welcome to this instructional video on Spreadsheet 2. This is Alberta's course Information Processing 2080. The specific topic today is changing font colors. Now the simplest way to change the font color is with this button right here that talks about text color. You can click this button and change the color. So now the word green is the color green. Now I should mention that again, I'm going to be primarily recording this series in Google Sheets because that's what our students have access to, but there are a wide variety of Office suites out there with their own spreadsheets which you may pick from. This is the simplest and most basic way to change font colors. There is another way, which is something that's a lot more versatile. So just changing the font color here is useful, assuming that you want that color to be that color or that cell to be that color at all times. But let's say that's not the case. Let's say you want to compare numbers easily and have them color-coded to indicate how they're performing, but the numbers could change at any time. I'm just going to put in a random number here. And let's put in a whole string of random numbers. So we can adjust these. Let's say a high number is better and a low number is worse. We can use what we call conditional formatting. And now with this, we have a number of options. So with a single color in that range, we could just say, oh, if it's non-empty, or if it is, say, greater than 0.1, it takes on the color or the formatting we choose. If we want something really dynamic, we can even say that, yeah, we go from red for the low numbers to green for the high numbers. And you could see that things are switching here, but these are now color-coded. We can adjust the minimum value to be specifically 0 to get our most red value. And that the max point is at 1, which is in the range. And our midpoint, instead of being halfway through the list, is specifically the number 0.5. And we could see with these, now this isn't changing the text color, it's changing the background by default. But we can change these rules. So not just with the fill, but we can also do other formatting, change text colors, although the color scale is mostly the fill. With the single color scale, then you can set the text color to change as well, say a big blue if it counts. Anything greater than 0.5 will have blue text. So the conditional formatting is another way to change the text color, and it can change as the data in your spreadsheet changes to indicate things that you want. You could even use this to track your grades and decide which ones are good and which ones you want to work on, and have them color-coded to easily stand out.